Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sibley County, southern McLeod County, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Glencoe to 6 miles northeast of Fairfax, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Glencoe around 12:05 a.m. Arlington around 12:20 a.m. Winton, Green Island, Lafayette around 12:25 a.m. Gaylord around 12:35 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Sumter, Fernando, Rush River, Glencoe Airport, New Sweden, New Rome, and New Auburn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm